Hello fellas, we are making a series on basic concepts of coding that every coding aspirant should know. In this video, we are going to know about what is variables, how we should write it and how we use it. Before we dive into the video, I welcome you all to our channel. This is Click, Fix, Code with me, SK. In this channel, we are going to learn together, code together and have fun together. Back to the topic. What is variables in coding? Well, variables are the containers that store the data or values. Basically, a container may be a box or a bottle which has an item in it. Here, the bottle is a variable and the items inside the bottle is called the values. Well, the bottle can be empty or filled with items, and if you want to change the items inside the bottle or container, we can do so, right? To identify the items inside the bottle or container, we label them. Like that, a variable is a storage location assigned with the names which holds the data that can be used or changed later. As we know, containers can hold different kinds of items, such as it can be filled with oil, it can be filled with any sort of items such as cereals, pulses, depends on how we use it. Similarly, a variable can hold a variety of categories of data. In programming, this is known as data types. Well, there are different types of data types available. Well, the data type defines what type of data that a variable can hold. The most common data types in Python are integer, float, string, boolean, list, tuples, dictionary, etc. We will get into detail what are data types in another video. Let's see how we are going to write a variable. Before we use a variable, we have to create it, right? That is called declaration of a variable. And assigning a value to that variable is called initialization of a variable. In Java, the declaration of variable is as follows. It follows as the data type, the variable name, and assigning a value to it is done with an assignment operator, that is equal to data type variable name equals to value. For example, int roll number equal to 20 14 11 01. In this, int keyword is the data type which holds the numeric value. Well, the variable name is roll number. The value we know, that is the number we given here. We need to declare the data type for a variable only once. After that, we can use the variable names to use it or update it. Like roll number equal to 11 14 01 10. But once we declare a data type for a variable, we cannot put a different value in it. Like if we declared a data type as integer and we cannot store a character or a string in it inside. That is, if we write like this, int a equal to 10, and we have tried to insert another value like a equals to string of 10, that doesn't work because integer can hold only numeric values. Well, strings cannot be used inside that. But in Python, we don't need to declare the data type for a variable. It automatically detects the data type from the value we assign to it. Like roll number equal to 10 11, we can also change it as roll number equal to escape. It accepts the value and doesn't throw any error. So we have to be much careful while assigning a value to a variable in Python. To know the data type of a variable in Python, we use an inbuilt function called type, which returns the data type of a variable. Example, print type of roll number. If we store the numeric value, it returns int. If we store a string, it returns string value. The variable names that we use to create should be sensible. The variable names can be short like x, y, z, or can be more descriptive like name, age, total, etc. There are some rules to be followed while creating a variable name. A variable should start with a letter or underscore character. It cannot start with a number or any other characters except underscore. It cannot be a reserved keywords in any programming languages. It should only contain alphanumeric characters and an underscore, that is, alphabetic letters from A to Z and numbers 0 to 9 and underscore. And The variables are case sensitive. Name and name both are different. If we create a variable name with more than one word, it can be difficult to read. To make it more readable, there are several techniques you can use. There are camel case, Pascal case, snake case. For camel case, except the first word, each word starts with a capital letter. In Pascal case, each word starts with a capital letter. Well, in snake case, each word is separated by a underscore character. Let's see an example how variables are used. X is equal to 10 and y equal to 5, and we are creating a variable total equals to x plus y, which stores the sum of x and y. Well, the value of x and y is added and stored in the variable total, and the output is 15. Well, that's all about variables. Hope you understand what is variables. And if you like this video, give me a like and share it with the other aspirants you know. And subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get more updates as soon as our next video comes out. One step in the right direction makes a difference. See you all until next time. Take care.